It is this enduring conviction that places education at the very heart of the Aga Khan Development Network's mission. When we educate an individual, we do not merely confer a personal asset that can never be taken away. We set in motion a powerful ripple effect that extends to families and communities.
Our hopes for the university rest in our faith in you. We know that you will lead with conviction and compassion. It is a privilege to be installed as the first Pro-Chancellor in the university's history.
Convocation is more than a celebration of achievement. It is a moment when learning meets responsibility, when preparation gives way to service.
As we now step foot beyond these gates, we begin a new leg of our journey. We carry with us more than our degree. We carry the responsibility of Aga Khan University's seal. Its circle reflects the breadth of the world we are now called to serve upon.